to all that formula that we learn in our theory part. Okay, first of all we need to remember this slogan. टेंशन को काटने के लिए कौन थिक शेक पिएगा? टेंशन को काटने के लिए कौन थिक शेक पिएगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल just make this hexagonal, then start with tension. Tension means tan theta, tan and sun, tan theta sin theta. Okay, tension, tan theta sin theta. Co means cos. Okay, tension, so tan theta sin theta, co means cos theta. Cut means cot. Cut is used for cot, so here cot theta. Then काटने के लिए कौन, कौन means cosec theta, कौन cosec theta. Okay, and thick sec, so just remember this, so just look at this word sec theta. Okay, so this is the arrangement. टेंशन को काटने के लिए कौन thick sec पिएगा. Okay, and at center just write down 1. Now tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Okay, tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. Now for cos theta, cos in reverse direction, cot theta is equals to cos theta upon sin theta. Both the formula present here, right? Tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is equals to cos upon sin theta. Same way, tan theta is equals to sec theta by cosec theta, and cot theta is equals to cosec theta by sec theta. Okay, now for inverse. Now opposite corner shows inverse. Sin theta and cosec theta both are inverse, and also sin theta multiply cosec theta is equals to 1, right? Because both are inverse. Same way here, sec theta cos theta both are inverse, and multiplication of cos theta and sec theta is equals to 1. And here cot theta and tan theta, multiplication of tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1. Tan theta is inverse of cot theta is inverse of tan theta. Okay, then for complementary function we need to use one direction. It is like this: sin theta and cos theta both are complementary function. Okay, both are complementary ratio. Then tan theta and cot theta both are complementary angles. And our third thing, it is sec theta and cosec theta. It is our complementary angles. Complementary means sec 90 minus theta is equals to cosec theta, cosec 90 minus theta is equals to sec theta. Same thing in this direction, tan 90 minus theta cot 90 minus theta tan theta. Okay, and sin and cos, sin 90 minus theta cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Then identity, 3 identity, right? So now look at these 3 things. I draw it in a clockwise direction. Okay, and same arrows I make in this part. Okay, now it means starting with your sin theta. Okay, so start with sin theta and rotate it. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay, start with sin theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay, now second identity, start from here. Here it is 1, so 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. Clockwise direction, right? 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. This is our second identity. Now third identity, tan square theta plus 1 is equals to sec square theta. Same arrows I drawn. Okay, start with here, it is tan theta, tan square theta plus 1 is equals to sec square theta. So this image shows all the formula. Okay, now I recall all the things once again. So first of all, we can get formula of any trigonometric ratio in terms of other trigonometric ratio. We need to go just as per the clockwise, otherwise anti-clockwise direction, and we need to divide our two trigonometric ratio. That means tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta, otherwise tan theta is equals to sec theta upon cosec theta, right? Same way, cot theta is equals to cos theta upon sin theta, otherwise cosec theta upon sec theta. Same way we can get other trigonometric ratios even. That means sec theta is equals to tan theta by sin theta. If we want to find cosec theta, then sec theta by tan theta. So we can get formula for any trigonometric ratio. Okay. Then second thing is complementary angles. We need to go in downward crosswise direction like this. Sin and cos both are complementary angles. Tan and cot both are complementary angles, and sec and cosec both are complementary angles. That means sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. We already learned this. Okay. And third thing is identities, right? Three identities totally we have. So just rotate our clock. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 plus cot square theta cosec square theta, tan square theta plus 1 sec square theta, and one more thing, it is inverse, right? Sin theta and cosec theta both are inverse. That means sin theta multiply cosec theta is equals to 1. Sec theta and cos theta both are inverse. That means sec theta into cos theta is equals to 1. And tan theta and cot theta both are inverse. So tan theta multiply cot theta is equals to 1. So by this image we can remember all the formulas. Okay. Thank you.